Hi there, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. In our previous lessons, we concluded the uses of the markers be and they with WH questions where, what, why, which, when, who, and how. Today, we'll be looking at the last marker, the marker na, with WH questions. Out of the three uses of the markers be, they, and na, with WH questions in Nigerian Pidgin English, the marker na is the easiest to use because it combines the uses of the WH questions of the markers be and they. All what one has to do is place the marker na at the beginning of this either any WH question formed by the marker be or they. I would say it plays the role of emphatic stress at the beginning of the questions. For example, Wetin be your name? Na wetin be your name? Here, I used the WH question with the marker be and just turned it into WH question with the marker na by placing na at the beginning of the question. Let's see more examples with the combination of WH questions with markers be and they turned into WH questions with the marker na by placing it at the beginning of the questions. We'll start with wetin, which means what. Now, wetin be your name? Now, wetin they do you? Now, wetin they worry you? Now, wetin be that? Now, wetin you dey hide? Now, let's go to WH questions. Who? Example. Now, who get this car? Now, who you be? Now, who she dey with? Now, let's go to WH questions where. Examples. Now where you dey live? Now where be this? Now where you dey take me go? Now, let's go to WH questions why. Examples. Now why you come hide? Now why you dey shout like that? Now why they sack her? Now let's go to WH questions which. Now which babe you dey talk? Now which mall you dey? Now which car you dey carry? Now let's go to WH questions when. Examples. Now when you dey reach house? Now when be the party? Now when una dey travel? To form a negative question with WH questions with the marker na, just follow the word order of the use of the WH questions of markers be and they, and simply add na at the beginning of the question. For that of the marker they, the word order will be na plus WH question plus subject plus no plus they plus the complement. For example, now why you know they drink? For that of the marker B, the word order will be na plus WH question plus subject plus no plus B plus the complement. For example, now why you know be dancer? In our next lesson, we will look at the forms of greetings in Nigerian Pidgin English. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have any question whatsoever on this topic or want to contribute to it, please use the comment section below, and I'll be more than glad to read from you. I go bracket on her for my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep it locked on BDNP, breaking down Nigerian Pidgin English. My name remains Bafu. I don't waka. This is it. Bye.